What's up? It's been a long time waiting for this. Starlink came in today. Let's see what we got inside. All right. There it is. Got our stand. Got our dish. Got our instructions. All right, I got the 75-foot cable. Here is the router modem. Also powers the dish. All right, we're gonna set it up, see what we can get. All right, got to put out in the yard. Modem right here. Go ahead and plug it up. I got the app open in the background. Back at the setup. Got it plugged in. Let's go. All right, now we'll go back to our dish. So far, our dish is still in the same position. I'll update you if it moves. This is what I got now after a minute of being plugged up. So far, dish still hasn't moved. All right, so it's starting to move. So far, pointing straight up. Nothing but clear sky above us. A little tree over here I'm eventually gonna cut down. See what it does. This is what you get if you click visibility. From what I'm seeing, it won't take that long. All right, now it's changed from booting to searching. Probably boot it for 4 or 5 minutes. All right, so it booted for about 5 minutes, then it searched for about 5 minutes, and then now it says we're online. Let's see if we can do a speed test. See what we're getting. Again, this is just sitting out in my yard. Straight off the router, straight to my phone. Alright, so now the dish is relocated, pointing towards the north. Let's see what happens now with our speed test. Now that our dish is realigned itself, see if our speeds are getting any better. Looking a lot better so far. Yep, much better. So this is at least twice as much, almost 3 times as much as my current DSL. Super excited. Alright, let's see what we're getting now after a day of being set up. I've noticed the testing on here is less than when if you just do a speed test. We'll do a regular speed test after this. Alright, let's do a speed test. not bad at all. Thanks to Arkansas weather, we get to test the automatic snow melt, and it appears to be melted. We were sweating 2 days ago. Now we got 2 to 4 inches of snow. Kind of melted out here. Cool. Just want to show y'all that.